Good morning. A couple of days ago, I posted a video on how to draw in PowerPoint. It was mostly focused on system landscape and data model. Today, I want to do a follow-up video about identity flows. There's 100 ways of doing that. Many people do it on paper. Me personally, feel more comfortable with PowerPoint. And with a little bit of practice and strategy, you can also do it very quickly in PowerPoint. And from my personal opinion, it looks very clean. So let's get started. I picked the JWT, the Jot Bearer token flow, because it's the simplest one, and I will show you my style. So I create a new style, change the layout to blank. I start with the actors. So we have the client, auth server, and resource server. Then I start by drawing these thingies, and I do actually draw them immediately, the same type, all of them. So you have to have already, in your head how it's gonna work. So you see, I draw first all these rectangles, which then I draw all the arrows. Yes, they don't have to be black, but I personally just prefer them to be clean. Oh yeah. So first we request the resources. We already did that in the first line. From the resource server will tell us, nope, your access token is expired. So we then send to the auth server our Jot Bearer token to get a new access token. The auth server validates everything and returns the Jot Bearer token. And then we have another call to the resource server with the new access token and request the resource. So then I start to add my text boxes. I usually change them to a font size of 12. Post API request bearer type token, and I immediately draw the other box. Post response 401 invalid session. If Salesforce is the resource server, then we do to the token post to the token endpoint with our signed JWT. So JWT with the issuer, the audience, the sub, and the expiration. And what I get back is token post response. This is important. It's not a redirect, it's a post response token and scope. So I know what I can access, and then we do the same as we did at the beginning. We do another API request, but this time we get the resource back. And now we just add the boxes for what the servers actually do. So the first part is the resource server. Move that over here. Validate token expired. So we have an expired token here. Then here, validate signature with the public key. Validate JWT, validate user access to the app. So the user for the Jot Bearer token flow, the user has to be validated beforehand. So proof because it's a headless flow. And here we do the same as the beginning. The resource server validates the token, valid, return resource. And this concludes my short presentation about the Jot Bearer token flow. As you see, you can draw them in a couple of minutes. It looks clean, it looks fresh. Let me know what you think. What is your strategy? See you.